Question 2.1 consists of 5 finance questions that were designed to assess your understanding of financial documents in the context of a credit card statement. I give this question an overall difficulty rating of 5 out of 10. Let's take a look at this question in detail to see why. In Annexure A, you are given a credit card statement that has the usual personal and statement details at the top. The payment information lists the total amount outstanding on this statement. This is the amount owed by Mr. Ntuli. The minimum payment, payment due date, credit limit, and available money to spend are also listed here. A summary of the account is listed next. The balance brought forward is the balance at the start of the statement period, and it's given as a negative 50 Rand 41 cents. This means that at the start of the statement period, the bank owed Mr. Ntuli 50 Rand 41 cents because he probably overpaid the previous month. Payment and credit list the cash that Mr. Ntuli transferred into his credit card account. So this is money that went into his account. Purchase and debits list the total cash that left the account. The closing balance is the balance at the end of the statement period and is listed as 28,135 Rand 76 cents. A VAT summary is then given for the ATM withdrawal fee that was debited on the 3rd of January. The transaction details are as follows. The balance brought forward at the start of the statement period was negative 50 Rand 41 cents. On the 3rd of January, 500 Rand was transferred into the account. On the same day, a withdrawal of 350 Rand was made at an ATM. Because this withdrawal was made at an ATM, a withdrawal fee was charged to the account. On the 11th of January, a travel agency was paid 18,503 Rand 49 cents and a reservation was made at a hotel for 9,827 Rand 18 cents. On the 25th of January, Mr. Ntuli received some interest from the bank. The closing balance on the credit card account was calculated as 28,135 Rand 76 cents. Now let's take a look at the 5 finance questions. Question 211 asks you to interpret the balance brought forward for this statement. Here you have to explain what this value means with reference to the negative sign in front of it. The negative 50 Rand 41 cents means that Mr. Ntuli overpaid by 50 Rand 41 cents or the bank owes Mr. Ntuli 50 Rand 41 cents. In question 212, you are required to state a reason why the digits from the account number has been left out of the statement. A possible reason for leaving out some of the digits could be to protect the client from being a victim of fraud or to protect personal information. In question 213, it is stated that the bank uses the formula below to calculate the credit card withdrawal fee. You have to verify using this formula whether the withdrawal fee of 8 Rand was correctly calculated by the bank. A withdrawal fee is charged by the bank anytime a person withdraws cash from an ATM. 8 Rand was charged for withdrawing 350 Rand. According to the formula given, the bank charges its clients 2 Rand for every 100 Rand or part thereof. The part thereof means that if an amount is a portion of 100 Rand, in other words, less than 100 Rand, it is counted as a full 100 Rand. In the case of 350 Rand, there are 3 whole 100 Rands and a 50 Rand which is a portion of 100 Rand. You count the remaining 50 Rand as a whole 100 Rand. So this gives a multiplier of 4. That is the 3 whole 100 Rands plus the 1 part of 100 Rand. So the total fee will be 2 Rand multiplied by 4 and this gives us a charge of 8 Rand. Since the charge you calculated is equal to the amount charged by the bank, you have to state in your answer that the correct fee of 8 Rand was charged. If you don't make this last statement, you will lose 1 mark. Question 214 instructs you to use the transaction details to show with calculation how this closing balance amount of 28,135 Rand 76 cents was calculated. The closing balance is determined by finding the difference between the total debits and the credits. The total debits for the month is 350 Rand plus 8 Rand plus 18,503 Rand 49 cents plus 9,827 Rand 18 cents and this equals 28,688 Rand 67 cents. The total credits for the month is 50 Rand 41 cents plus 500 Rand plus 2 Rand 50, and this equals 552 Rand 91 cents. Finding the difference between the total debits and the total credits is 28,688 Rand 67 cents minus 552 Rand 91 cents. This gives us a closing balance of 28,135 Rand 76 cents. In question 215, you are instructed to give one disadvantage of Mr. Ntuli buying items using his credit card. So a possible disadvantage of buying an item on credit card is when buying items using his credit card, he will pay a higher interest if the outstanding amount is not paid in full within the 55 interest-free days. Thank you again for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to learn more, you can subscribe to get notified of more videos like this. And you can check out this video next.